let's start with our baby cream. Or baby skin. Whatever. Sorry. But you can see it right here. Baby skin. So it's a pore eraser. Let's see how it works. Okay, it's clear. It's said in the package. Okay. Yeah, I can't see without my glasses. I need to use contacts, but I don't know how to use contacts, so I'm gonna put it like right here in my cheekbones because that's where I feel like my pores are more open for some reason, and my chin. I put it all over my face at the end, like whatever's. I use this, the baby skin. If you're ever gonna go buy it, I think it's like, let me see. I have the receipt. Duh. If I can see, obviously I can't, so I have to put my glasses on. $7.30. I guess it's worth it. I mean, the one that I had, which was the, so this was $7.29, and the pore, the Benefit Cosmetics Pore Freshen is $12. So, and that's like only the small one. So this one, it's pretty good quality, I believe. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It feels the same way as the professional one. So I think for now I would go with this one. It's cheaper. So like I said, if I would have gone to Sephora, it would have been like a lot of money. So let's keep on going. So after this one, we are using, myself prefer doing my concealer first than anything. So I'm gonna use this one, but I'm also gonna use this one, the H Rewinder. Hopefully it's my tone. Well, that's nice. I can't barely. This is how it looks. It's like my palm. It's the size of my hand. Now let's see if it's my color. I don't know how to. Where's the package? I don't know how to use this shit. There it is, right here. Okay, so I have to turn it like this. Hopefully it's not like messy. Okay, I don't see any product coming out. Good. Oh, there you go. Ooh, okay. There. Okay, let's see. Do I look creepy? Like crappy creepy? Yeah. I mean, I still have to like put something in, but yeah, I think it's good. I think this is my, yeah, H Rewinder, you know, whatever's. Okay, why is it like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm gonna, oh, why am I crying? Oh my god. Am I allergic to this thing? Let me read the fucking instructions. Okay. What the heck? Why is it like making my eyes burn? Okay, whatever. It's like It was only like this one. I don't know why. Hopefully I'm not allergic to anything that it contains, or else like you're gonna see me con un pinche ojo hinchado ahí. If you don't know what that means, you're gonna see me with a big eye like popping out or something. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. I'm so done. You forgot one thing, Fabulita. Color correctors. Duh. Cause my redness right here, whatever. Color correctors. They're from Cherimoya. And I bought them at a 99cent store for $1.99. Like, guys, this was cheap as fuck. And these color correctors, they're super nice, super good. I recommend them. If you see them at a 99cent store, go and grab like 10 of them, because they're good. They do work. So this one is for my redness. Is the green one. Bye bye. Bye bye, redness. And then and this one is for dark circles, but I use this one for dark circles, so I'm not gonna use another one. Just so you know which one is which. I have the purple one too, which is for soulness. I don't have like right now rivers have dualness. I don't think I'm gonna use that one. And dark spots. I don't have like dark spots in my skin, so that's the only one that I'm gonna wear right now, which is the green for my red skin that I have right here, and right here in my nose, and a little bit right here, but it's not that much. Yeah, that makes me look like more white. Fucking shit. Like, I look like a fucking ghost. Green fucking ghost. A green ghost. Sorry guys, I'm cussing a lot. That's the real me. So you guys know. That's all I know. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York. This is 35 deep. You can see it right there. And it's this one. So yeah. And now there it is. I'm gonna use a little bit in my chin. I'm ready. Chin, chinny, chin, chin. Officially, we're going to use it. Okay, now let's do the contour. The NYX Contour Wonder Stick. So I had one of this, but it barely like just broke and everything, so that was sad. So let's try to open this if I can. Let's see. Okay, This pen is helping me a lot when babe is not here. Brand new Wonder Stick. Yay! Okay. Why I hate contour? Because I hate making mistakes and then you have to restart all over. Like, you have to take it off and then you have to like put it on back, and you know. Sorry, I'm not perfect at makeup still. I'm not like the best at makeup, but I'm trying to learn with you guys as you learn with me. So let's help each other out. So now I'm gonna use the loose powder. This loose powder I got at Wish. I don't remember how much was it, but if you see it, it's pretty good. It's like it's by Nanda. You can see it right there too. It's by Nanda. It's pretty nice. So let's do this. Okay, so the two things that I'm not really like good at it, and maybe you can see it, is contour and using the powder. It's like, I don't know if I'm using it right or not, but like I said, I'm learning with you guys and you're learning with me, and you can teach me too. I'm open, but please don't be rude to me. I'm just trying to learn here. Hi, baby.
Baby, you pulled everything out.
Yes. Say hi.
Hi.
This is like going under my skin. I'm gonna put my eyelashes. Which one should I put on?
Those. The other ones are too light.
I knew he was gonna go for this one. I like to put my eyelashes first before the eyeshadow, because if I ruin it, like I don't ruin the eyeshadow. Let's put them on. Okay, there we go. It looks really nice. I like these ones. I really like them. I do recommend them. Look at it. Okay, I'm gonna take out this now. Because since I said I have dry skin, I don't want it to be more dry than it is. So. I like them. So, putting my eels. I don't know what's eels, so. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I love you, cuties. Bye.